Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and today I'm gonna show you how you can create your free email list with Apollo.io. So let's get into it. After signing in, this will be the interface you will see. And in order to start creating your email list, you need to navigate to the search here. Then you need to specify what kind of people you are searching for. What is your target audience? So let's say I'm targeting people who are working for Facebook. So I will search for Facebook here in the search bar, and now it will generate so many results for me. As you can see on the bottom here, I have 18,149 results. So of course you will need to narrow down your own list to specific people with a specific criteria, and this is what the filtration do. So here you have many parameters on which you can base your own filtration. So let's say I am targeting people who are located in the US. So I will go to the location, and I'm gonna choose the United States. Now it's generating my results, and the more the results you have, the more it takes time to filter through them. So since we have 18,000 results, it will take some time to filter your own results into a narrower audience. And here we have 8,725 results, which means that it has nearly narrowed down these results to the half. And the more filtration you base, the more and more narrowing down to your audience it will happen. So for each criteria you choose here, the results will be lower. And when you are done, you can just export your own list by selecting from here, and you will have two options: whether you can select all people, but this needs an upgrade and needs a premium version or upgraded version. However, for the free version, you can just select page by page, and for one page it contains only 25 results. After selecting your own audience, you can go to here, download. Then you can select either to add to a specific list, which will be saved in apollo.io, or you can just export as CSV file. And here I will just use export all emails, and I'm gonna just click on save. And on the top right, we can see that the process has been accomplished successfully. And to find this exported CSV file, you just need to head to your own email, where you will find Apollo have sent you this email with the CSV file. You can just click on download so that you can get your own list on your own device. So this is pretty easy as it is. And in order to know the limitation of your own plan, you can just go to the upgrade here, where you will find all the plans. So you can just know if you are in the free plan. You can see that you have only 120 export credits per year, and the more expensive your plan, the more exports you've got. So this is how easy you can create your free email list. And if you want to know how you can take action to this email list, make sure to subscribe to our channel so as not to miss part 2. Thanks for watching.